What's up, Black Hair OMG? Dayna here, and today I'm going to take you through just a simple DIY hair gel. You can make this with just a few simple ingredients that you have already at home. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications every single time new videos come out. So what you'll need. So you'll need about a cup of distilled water. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. You'll need about 2 ounces of oil. I like avocado oil, sunflower oil. So depending on your hair texture, might depend on which type of oil that you choose to use in yours. And then you'll need about half a tablespoon of honey, raw organic honey, and then lavender, cedarwood, and peppermint. Be sure that the oils that you use are pure. You don't want to put anything in your hair on your scalp that could absorb and actually be harmful. So as many people know, for me, I use Young Living essential oils, and you can check out the comments if you want to purchase some as well. But again, that's lavender, cedarwood, and peppermint. So this recipe is adapted from my book, Kinky Locs. If you don't have a copy, make sure you get one. What you're going to do is you're going to take your 1 cup of water, let that get into a boil, add your flaxseed to that water as it boils. Once it starts boiling, you're going to turn that temperature down to about a medium to high heat. You want to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. So you're looking for a little bit of a snotty looking consistency when it comes to the flaxseed gel. Once you've done that, you're going to let it cool just a little bit, but you do want it to still be nice and warm because you're going to strain that through. I actually use an old stocking. I find that this makes it easy to separate out the seeds and get all of that beautiful, beautiful gel. And then you're going to want to put that into a container. Once that's fully cooled, then you're going to go ahead and add your oil. Again, remember that's going to either be your sunflower or your avocado oil or whatever oil is going to be great for your hair, jojoba oil. And then you're going to add your essential oils. So you want to add about 2 drops of your lavender, 3 drops of cedarwood, and about 3 drops of peppermint. Then you're going to go ahead and add your organic raw honey. Once you have all of your ingredients in, you can go ahead and refrigerate that. It's going to be perfect in about 2 days. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you again. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe. I thank you. I appreciate you. If this content is bringing you value, be sure to comment below, share, so that we can go ahead and build up this community. I thank you. I love you, and I appreciate you so much.